Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the water drop sound. The water drop sound is a really fun sound to learn because not many people know to do this sound and it really gets the attention of people. There are 3 ways in which you can do the sound, but the first step of all the 3 ways is a whistle sound which sounds like. To do the whistle sound, first you need to position your mouth like when you would do a normal pout whistle, like. Or else if you people don't know to do the normal pout whistle, you can just make an O shape with your mouth like O, O, O. And push the air circled in your mouth by using your tongue by moving it forward and backward along with the air in your mouth and not your lungs, like. And after you guys get this sound, try to focus more on pushing the air out by using your tongue to get the whistle, like. And after you guys get the whistle sound, you can either add a throat kick or a block click or a flick on your cheek to force the air to come out of your mouth and get the water drop sound effect. With the throat kick, you are supposed to do a very faint kick at the beginning of the whistle to push the extra air out and get the water drop sound, like. And with the block click, you suck in a small amount of air along with the click and do the whistle with the air which has entered your mouth to get the water drop sound, like. If you guys don't know to do either the throat kick or the block click, the links of the tutorials are in the description below. And finally, with the flick, you force extra air from your cheek along with the whistle to get the water drop sound, like. And after you guys get this sound, a simple practice pattern would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound, and if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.